it's just that, you know, at this meeting, it comes out that
Oh Lord. Y'all come in. Y'all come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. Okay, y'all. Well, we here. We here. We here. We here. We here. And thanks for joining the live. I'm not gonna keep y'all up all night, but I'm gonna give y'all time to get in so we can talk about day 125, the Young Thug case. So get a chance, come in. If you haven't subscribed, to it, please do. Um. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead on and get started. Okay, because it's already at a minute. Um. On this beginning of this trial, I'm gonna give you my opinion on what's going on in this courtroom. This is day, like I said, this is day 125. Um, Still is going to give you all some information about the meeting. Comes out that at that meeting with Mr. Sled Moontoon, I'm gonna call him Moontoon, because that's what we've been saying. With Mr. Moontoon, they had a meeting coming out. That Thug is with Donovan. That what was said at the meeting. Now, at the video that I recorded previously for you all, uh, previous for you all didn't mention that. Didn't mention anything about that. Okay, so Mr. Steele said that it comes out that Thug at the meeting that Thug is with Donovan. That's what they said days before he was killed. And Moontoon said, mentioned that it's not really Rich Homie Quan, it's Donovan. The state is trying to say that the state is trying to say, this is what Steele said, guys. It's gonna be kind of confusing. Steele said that he think that the state is trying to say Donovan is trying to be the manager of Rich Homie Quan. That's what he said. And to sign with Birdman. So that's what Mr. At the beginning of this trial right here, Mr. You'll hear Mr. Steele bring this up, okay? That in other words that everybody trying to get everybody trying. I guess Birdman trying to get Donovan, Rich Homie Quan to sign with him. I guess y'all with Birdman. So Thug isn't signed with Birdman. Everybody think Thug is signed with Birdman, but Thug is not signed with Birdman. Okay, so but somehow still mentioned that somehow Thug doesn't like the fact that Donovan won't let Rich Homie porn sign with an independent person. Now, so the state making it look like so that Thug had him killed unalive because he signed that Birdman was trying to get him to sign for him. But Donovan is trying to be his manager, okay? Donovan is trying to be the manager of Rich Homie Quan. Donovan doesn't want Rich Homie to sign with Birdman. So it's a conflict right there. And it's a coincidence that Rich Homie Quan is unalive. This is crazy. So Mr. Still gonna also, I'm gonna play a little bit of, I'm gonna play some of, I'm just trying to get some of my reaction from the beginning. Uh, Mr. Steele is gonna explain to you all that on June the 29th, Montunk, that's Mr. Slick, y'all, if y'all hear him call the name, tells Miss Love that Thug and Donovan was outside and he thought it was T.I., but they said T.I. studio, okay? And they are having a great time. Donovan and Thug is having a great time. That's what's still going to talk to y'all about this. So he was saying that it was a Brady evidence, okay? That he made to Brady evidence. He made it known that he got the information from Moon 2 and Mr. Wright, his attorney. Yes. But Miss Love, the DA, let's say the DA, didn't agree with it. So his suggestion was a mistrial. So he gonna say mistrial, y'all. Period. So let's listen to this.
It's just that, at this meeting, it comes out that Jeffrey Williams is with Mr. Donovan Thomas days before he's killed, according to Mr. Sledge. I have other evidence that puts them together, but that's a contested part. It's not really Rich Homie Quan, it's Mr. Thomas, Donovan Thomas. And what the state's trying to say is that, for the court's edification, I believe this is what they're saying. Mr. Thomas is trying to be the manager of Rich Homie Quan. Mr. Thomas doesn't want Rich Homie Quan to sign with a man named Brian Williams and Birdman. Jeffrey Williams is not signed with Brian Williams Birdman, and somehow Jeffrey Williams doesn't like the fact that Donovan Thomas won't let Rich Homie Quan
exactly
an independent person, so Jeffrey Williams has him killed. Jurors may adopt that.
So Miss Love is going to getting her pen and paper ready to attack Mr. Steele for saying what he said. I don't think this is about Donovan and signing with Donovan. I don't think it's about Donovan and Thug. I think it's deeper than Donovan and Thug. And that's why Rich Homie Quan not here yet. See. Y'all got to put two and two together. Two together. Rich Homie Quan name came up in this court. And they know they was going to subpoena him to come to court. So they had to allegedly do what they had to do. Y'all, it's a lot. It's a lot to this right here. Okay, let's go. So Miss Love, she about to tell her portion of the transcript. Okay, that Mr. Steele is talking about. She gonna speak on a picture and a picture of that Mr. Steele had shown of a young man. He's in the picture with Young Thug. And the evidence come out. She gonna explain. Miss Love about to open up her mouth and she gonna explain the evidence that comes out that that guy did not associate with Thug. That's what she thinks. I don't understand how she think. Because everybody know Young Thug. Okay, let's listen to that portion. Okay, okay, all right.
When Mrs. Sledge tells District Attorney Love on June 9, 2024, that Jeffrey Williams and Donovan Thomas were outside, and I thought it was TIG, but TI's studio. He's a performer he's a wonderful performer named Clifford Harris in Atlanta. Um, and they're having a good time. That's Brady evidence. Never got that. Now I did get it. I don't want to. There's no violation. I'll make it clear. I got it from Mr. Sledge and Mr. Wright, but we should have gotten it from the DA as
State.
well because they didn't know.
Okay, so now look at Miss Love. Yeah. Every time they say the state, boy, she throw their head. But for real though, Miss Love, y'all supposed to get in that information out as well. They shouldn't have to. This defense shouldn't have to go nowhere to get the information because y'all running the show. Y'all running the show, and they should have that information. They should have that. They should. The defendant should have this information, and I don't see why they don't. Now here she go. Here she go.
Other people, and I don't think Mr. Matthews got it. I didn't share with him anyway, so that's Brady evidence for him too, because it's part of the state's case. Those are my issues. That's one witness last week, and it's the objection, it's the Brady, and it's the reading of a transcript. It's just a lot to deal with.
Look at her.
My objection.
Just calm down.
Trial. You know, God willing, but I don't want a mistrial, but I don't know what to do. So those are my issues.
All right, thank you.
And I do apologize for the speaking. And hopefully I cleared it up.
I mean, it happens.
There she comes.
I don't find any purposeful action on your part in saying the wrong here. But thank you, Your Honor, for allowing me the opportunity to speak. I apologize to the court in advance. My voice is a little lacking today. But as we are bringing up.
But me love, y'all not working. Okay, y'all, okay, look. I have nothing. It's 5 people over here. How is she going to be lacking in work and getting herself together if they didn't even take a lunch break? They stayed over there working. What are they doing at the table? Working on other cases? Because they in the mind, it's not on this case. Not to me. So to stand up to tell the judge that, to stand out to tell the judge that you are lacking on your progress of what you need on your theories, what you need to do in court, it's crazy. Okay?
Things and patterns I want to bring to the court's attention. A couple of things that the court would not have knowledge of, as the court could not have been present when it occurred. I've read the portion of the transcript where I said, as it relates to a young man in the picture, I believe evidence has come out that, I want to read it exactly.
I mentioned it to y'all.
Well, I mean, I already read it out once. Mr. Steele was putting up is a picture of a defendant.
Sick of all the ads like this one? Just head to adskiller.com, click on Activate Now.
And Williams with the young man whose evidence has come out did not associate with defendant Williams after a particular time. So there have been instances.
Okay, y'all. So that part right there, I don't want to get into the video. Y'all can go watch the video on your own. I just want to give y'all my opinion about it. So that's the part that Miss Love is just speaking over. I just don't want to see this mess no more because I'm tired of her voice. So in other words, that Miss Steele was talking about Donovan, everybody, just because you have a problem with somebody, I don't mean that you're gonna that you don't, if just because you have a problem with somebody's decision doesn't mean that you want to unalive them. So I don't think it's fair for the state to even say that Young Thug want Donovan unalive just because he didn't sign with an independent in Donovan wanted him to, what Donovan is trying to be was trying to be Rich on McQuan uh, manager. I don't understand if he didn't want if they want him to sign with Birdman, but Donovan wanted Rich Homie. This is amazing how Donovan is unalive, and amazing how Rich Homie Quan is unalive in this trial. It's crazy. Now, I'm not going to show this video. Y'all can go back and watch this video. I just want to come in. I got to go to work early in the morning. Got to be there at 5. Um, this is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. So Donovan won't let Rich on sign with a independent. He did. It was. This is not what this about. This go deeper than what it is, y'all. So, in other words, let's move on. Let's move on because we're not gonna watch no video. Y'all gonna go watch the video on your own. I just want to get to portions of this. Now I want to get to right here. Right, hold on, right here. This information right here. This is what we at. We gonna talk a little bit about but get to court. But this is a social media post that Thug at the end had. This is not his post, but his name is on it right there at the end. So on this right here, on this section, y'all got to really understand what they saying in this post, okay? Hold on, y'all. Here we go. Um, this you're gonna hear what his name still is going to speak about on the screen. He's gonna talk to S Muntu some information about this post, and Muntu gonna mention it to him that so let me get my note. Hold on, y'all. So this is one of their rivals, okay, Matt. Okay, this is one of their rivals. Okay, so they're gonna still is going to explain his social media post. Try to get Luke to explain it. This happened. This post, y'all, were posted. That's why we try to explain to y'all when you put something on social media, when you say something about somebody on social media, it's still there. It's not going anywhere. So you can delete it all you want to. So this was a post back in 2027, 2024. And you can see where it read. I'm not going to say that word because I don't talk like that. It said, the end lied to their mama, brother, sister, and kids. But get to the courtroom and tell the God honest truth. And question mark, then it said, I don't get it. Young Thug right there. So we're gonna listen to Donovan and Mr. Steele on this part. I just want to let y'all know that's what they're talking about. They're gonna discuss this post. Steele is trying to refresh to memories about this post. Okay, let's listen to this.
Exhibit number at the very top, Mr. Kokomo, if you just show. You see where it says exhibit or EXH number JW Jeffrey Williams 253. I believe it's 255, though. If trying something new opened up a whole new world of possibilities, would you embrace it?
What's going on? Okay, Mr. Kokomo about to put the post up, y'all.
You see at the very top 255? Yes.
Oh, so it's 255, not
Mr.
253.
Kokomo can just center so all the words can be seen on the actual writing. Do you recognize this as a social media posting? And do you see the date? Yes. And it's from DMAC, me to TOO, banging at DMAC to banging. You see it says December 27, 2014? Yes. And does it read then, and I'm changing it just because that's how I am, A-N, lied to their mama, brother, sister, and kids, but get to the courtroom and tell the God's honest truth, 3 question marks. I don't get it. And then hyphen at Young Thug. Do you see that? Yes. All right, did I read that fairly accurate? I know it wasn't perfectly accurate, but fairly accurate. Yes.
No, that's right.
And is that similar to what has been marked and played in states number 447Y, where you started out with, I'm going to, and this may not be exact quote, but something like, I'm going to swear to tell the truth, I'm going to lie on God. Remember that? Yes. All right. Can you tell the jurors what it means, if you know, when it says at the end of it, the hyphen at Young Thug? Before? Can you explain that to the jury? I don't get it. Yeah, right after that. At Young Thug. I mean, Young Thug, I'm sorry. Yes, do you see that? Yes. Do you know, and if you don't know, just say, I'm not sure. Do you know what that means? No, I don't. That's not exactly what it means. Okay, and this one goes back, if you remember, if you don't, we can show it to you. But do you remember what the state used on January 26, 2015 said repost? Remember that? The repost was?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mistake.
Then you showed the jury the January 4th, 2015 video, same video, Jeffrey Williams, remember that? Yes. And this one is approximately a week before January 4th, 2015, right? Yes. December 27, 2014. Yes. And prior to this, prior to 2014 and 2013, 12 going back, have you heard the same type of statement? Yes. All right. Now, did anyone from the police department or the district attorney's office, and I'm saying after you enter the plea, so this is December 28th, 2022, okay? Yes. After that, so coming forward. Yes. Did anyone from the district attorney's office or one of their teammates, police, whomever, did they ever ask you?
Objection. Relevance as to what anyone else ever asked this.
Well, that's what you do.
Still wants to ask something he can.
Ask about the evidence of the repost. They showed the gentleman the evidence.
Your Honor, my
Know if
objection.
I want to know if anybody ever went over with him that it's a repost.
Your Honor,
Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I got a problem a little bit with this judge. This judge. It's not on point. She is. I just don't understand. I just don't understand what kind of judges we have here in Atlanta. So welcome to Atlanta, y'all. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. What I don't understand is Miss Love made an objection, and the judge didn't say nothing. So still kept talking, and I don't understand. See, we got that one thing. I think that the only way this court gonna be right, if y'all got to get a judge in here that don't know nobody. All these people are a big judge and a big attorney family, and they are trying now. I don't know what they doing, but the judge didn't say nothing though with Miss Love made her and the Jackson. I don't understand what she scared of, what the judge afraid of. She didn't say nothing. And that's the problem with the judge. Because the judge run the courtroom.
Distinct.
Did at your meeting, we'll just do it on June 9th.
She don't even know what she'll abstain for. Come on, Judge. Y'all can I just don't I don't I'm just what is this about the TV? Are we look, y'all, let me calm down. Let me calm down. Is this about television for entertainment or just to be on TV? Or is it about a RICO case? What is this? I got a problem with all of them. I got a problem with the judge and everybody. This they don't act like this a real court case.
24 at the Fayetteville Starbucks.
Yes.
Did District Attorney Love ever ask
Objection.
you about?
Objection. Yes.
But Miss Love, you mentioned. I mean, I don't understand. Miss Love can get up there as a prosecutor and can mention still name, but still can't mention her name. I don't understand that, y'all. I don't understand it.
Did State's Exhibit number 447Y, the repost, January 26, 2015, was that ever discussed?
Objection, Your Honor. Sustained.
Where it says on the January 4th, 2015 video, and if you need to see it, I'll show it to you. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Okay. Where you read to the jurors that Mr. Martinez or Duke said it first?
Yes.
Remember that? Okay. Did you ever explain to anyone about Mr.
Objection,
Martinez
Your Honor.
saying
That would be hearsay.
he's right here?
Explain. Sustained.
All right. Now, District Attorney Love asked you on your direct examination why you didn't go to the police on the morning of January 11, 2015 when you dropped off Mr. Copeland at the City of Atlanta Police Department homicide. Do you remember that question?
Yes.
All right. And you were aware that the police called Mr. Copeland
Yes.
that night, and then Mr. Copeland went down to see the police, right?
Yes.
Did the police call you and tell you that you were the prime suspect?
No.
Objection to the compound question.
No.
You were asked questions about the music company or business YSL, direct deposits. You remember that working for them,
Yes.
working for Mr. Williams? Remember all those questions?
Yes.
All right. Do you personally know? Do you personally observe? Does that music business have lawyers working for them? If you know, if you don't know, just say I don't know.
I don't know.
All right. Do they have accountants?
Yes, I think they have accounting. I know that.
Okay, y'all. So in other words, that because I said I went on being long, I gotta go to work in the morning. Like I said, and I can review this information. Um, what they're doing is he gave them Moontoon gave a false plea. That's all he did. I'm not about to play no video. Y'all can go back and watch the video on your own. But he gave them a false. I think it was a false plea. I really do, y'all. And I don't know. I'm like I hate to say it, I'm like Mr. Steele in this situation right here. I don't know what to say or do, but as a citizen of the United States and in a do my census report, and I live right here in Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, with Young Thug. This is a bull mess. They really needed, they playing with the, they need to dismiss this case, y'all. They really need to dismiss this case. They need to dismiss this case right away. Because when they met up with these guys back in 2017, the state, see, I don't know, yeah. I don't like talking about people, but Miss Love is not doing her homework as a prosecutor. It seems like it's a payroll thing. It's no way all this paper sitting on your desk, and you can say that you're not prepared. You're not. What are they doing? What are they doing sitting at the table? All that paperwork right there. What are y'all doing? Homework for another case, or y'all doing the RICO? Because this RICO don't make no sense at all. We're gonna waste. We'll be on this RICO when they start YSL, not YSL, but Melly's case. We've we've been on here, y'all. It don't make sense. But anyway, this reaction was mainly about the meeting that they had with what is Moontoon and his attorney, right? And the state wants to make it look like since Donovan then said Donovan wanted to manage Rich Homie Quan and then want him to sign with Birdman. They trying to make it look like it's a problem with him and Thug. But they lying because him and Thug was together over there at T.I. spot. Thug and Donovan. Laughing, having a good time, and playing. What did Thug do to them to make, what did Thug do to the state to make them want to punish him behind something that he didn't do? I don't understand. I really don't understand this RICO. But the DA think that they got a problem. You can have a problem with somebody, but you don't want to take them out. I don't want to harm nobody. I don't want to kill nobody just because they don't agree with me. They decided to go to play basketball, and okay, say this. That they decided to go to that football game instead of this football game with us. I mean, I just don't understand, y'all. So that's basically what they're gonna have to dismiss. They need to dismiss this young man right here. They need to dismiss Moot too, because it's nothing he said. He gave them a he made a plea and signed it because didn't want to go to jail, but he gave them a false plea and he did what he had to do. He had to did what he had to do. But I'm gonna wish the state luck on. I don't. I'm gonna wish the state luck, and I think that the judge need to get on her job. The judge is got to stop doing her other homework with other cases as well as what they sitting at the table doing work as well. And everybody in this, even the defense attorney, needs to be serious and get into this case like they supposed to. I mean, they get on my nerve, but y'all like, share, and subscribe. I didn't want to show the video because y'all can go watch the video on your own, but that is my reaction. And y'all, like I said, that June the 9th that's when they sat down and at the Starbucks Buck and drunk some of that good old, what y'all call it, strawberries and whatever that stuff is. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.